the spicy ones, light your mouth up a little bit. It's gonna be kicking like Jackie Chan, I'm trying to tell you. So like I said, this is $4, and this is for 96 lean beef. Come on now, $4, man, you cannot beat that. So let me paint a picture for you. It's mid-morning, maybe mid-afternoon, and you're like, man, I'm hungry, but I need to make the best decision possible. And that's when snack time hits, and boy, snack time can really throw you off. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm here at Walmart, and I'm gonna show you some of the snack options you can get to help get you through that. And jot some of these down, man. Get your pen and paper out and check some of these out, because man, I'm telling you, whenever it's snack time, boy, that can get tough. And you don't want to go grab the wrong stuff, because it can really throw you off. It throw your whole macros off. It can really discourage you. You know, you've been doing good. You might have done good for breakfast. You did good for dinner last night. You did good for breakfast. Now it's mid-morning snack time, and all your old habits start coming back to you. So check some of these out. These are some of my go-to snacks, especially if you're on like a low-carb keto diet. You don't have to be keto, but there's some low-carb keto options here. Just make these fit your diet. Make sure you're tracking everything, and put it into an app. You know, like I always recommend putting it into MyFitnessPal. That really helps out. Because if you ain't tracking, you're slacking. I always say that, because if you don't know where you're at, then it's tough to wonder. You know, you'll start wondering, why am I not making my goals? Why am I not, you know, if weight loss is your goal, why am I not losing weight? All these whys, and really it comes down to you holding yourself accountable. So take some of these options here. Hopefully they'll help you out. Let me know if you have other options that you like to use when it's snack time, man, because, you know, snack time ain't just for kids, man. Snack time hits us all. And we got to stay ready, all right? So check some of these options out. So if you have access to a fridge during the day, you know, if you're at home or at work, if you have access to a fridge or, you know, a cooler, slide on over to the egg aisle. I'm telling you, man, eggs are a great source of protein, great source of fat. One egg can get you 6 grams of protein, and they're super easy to eat. What I like to do is I like to slide over. I'm here at Walmart, so they have the hard-boiled eggs in a bag. They're already ready to go. If you want to, you can get some eggs, make some hard-boiled eggs on your own. They're not hard to make. It just takes time. If time is an issue, then go grab you a bag of hard-boiled eggs. And what I like to do is split these jokers in half and put a little Tony Chachere's on top. Put a little seasoning on top. Man, it tastes good. If you want to, you can go with the salt and pepper. But I like to put some Tony Chachere's or some Slappy Mama or something like that on top, because man, it tastes great. Knock you 2 of these out. It'll really knock out your hunger. Plus you'll get 12 grams of protein, some quality fats, and definitely go check them out. Each store, like I'm here at Walmart, they have these two right here at Walmart. HEB has them, Kroger has them. So any of your grocery stores will have the already hard-boiled eggs in the bag. Go grab these. Great snack for you, no matter what kind of diet you're on. Even if you're, you know, worried about the fats and all that, I was like, man, come on now. These are eggs, man. Eggs are good for you. Great for muscle building. The yolk, don't be afraid of the yolk. That yolk right there has a lot of vitamins in it, so don't be afraid of it, all right? So go get you some of these. Keep these on deck. If you just get a little bit hungry, go grab you some eggs, throw a little seasoning on top, and I'm telling you, it'll take care of it. So check these out, all right? All right, next up, I want you to slide over to the cheese aisle. Now, if you can eat cheese, some people can't have cheese, but if you can eat cheese, man, cheese is a great snack. I have it all the time. One of the ones that I love to have are these little round guys right here. These jokers are great, all right? These Baby Bells, man, you cannot go wrong with them. These are the full fat ones. If you don't want these, you can go with the lower fat ones also. So each one of these little guys, great little snack. One little round one comes in at 4 grams of protein, so it's a great snack to have. I always recommend cheese. If you want something super simple, you can always find these that come with the meat and cheese, but I'm gonna show you something I like to do instead of getting these right here. Now, this is all they have. You know, whatever store you're at, if this is all they have, then go ahead and grab some of these, because you get the meat and the cheese. But let me show you what I do instead of getting something like this. Now, I will get this if this is all that's available, but let me show you something else, you know, a little hack I have. And also, don't be afraid to get the string cheese, man. You got to get some string cheese, man. These things are great. They're not just for kids' lunches or anything like that. Make it a grown-up lunch, right? Put these in your lunchbox too, because, man, these jokers are good, all right? There's 7 grams of protein and 1 string cheese, and, man, they taste great. If you don't like string cheese, man, I don't know what to tell you, because they're so good. You know, if you can't eat cheese, man, I'm sorry, but if you can, definitely go get some string cheese. Get a great snack, all right? All right, next up, I have these all the time when I'm traveling, or just, man, they're just a great snack. Go find you some of these right here, some of these salamis. Walmart has them. HEB has them, Kroger has them. What you got to do is just come over to like the lunch. Here at Walmart, they're in the lunch meat area, but at Kroger, they're in a different area. So, but they have different ones right here. Okay, these are a great snack. If you pair these with like some mozzarella cheese, that's all you have is just meat and cheese. It is so good. So yeah, definitely check these out. These are so easy to keep that you can take them with you to work. It will fill you up. Okay, so definitely go check these out. All right, something like that. All right, another low carb, great snack to have. Don't sleep on these, man. If you know on these. Go get you some pork rinds, man. Pork rinds, they're good if you know, man. These will help fill you up, I promise you. You eat some of these with like a carbonated water or something like that, man, hunger is gone. No carb options you can use. They also got that fire, okay? If you like a little spicy, I prefer spicy, so I'm gonna go with some fire on mine. But yeah, get the spicy ones. Light your mouth up a little bit. It's going to be kicking like Jackie Chan. I'm trying to tell you, these are good, okay? Keep these in stock. It's a great way to knock out hunger in between meals. You can also have them with, like with a sandwich or however you want to do it. But if you're worried about carbs, pork rinds, it's a great way to go, okay? So definitely check these out. These are at all the stores, all kinds of different flavors. They're a great option. So I highly recommend you go check out some pork rinds, man, because they're good. I'm gonna go get some of these. All right, next up, a great snack to have. Like I said, you can get the string cheese with the meat already prepackaged. But what I like to do is to get some more protein, I like to come and grab some Chomps. I highly recommend you get some Chomps. I eat Chomps all the time. This is the regular flavor. They also have a jalapeno that I roll with. So good, man. I keep these in stock. They're such a great snack. One stick is gonna get you 10 grams of protein. So what you do is you take one of these jokers and add it to this. Boy, you got your 17 grams and it tastes great, I'm telling you, and it will knock out your hunger. Have these in between meals. It's not going to set you back too much. It's a great snack to have, especially if you're on keto. It's a great snack to have. So get you some of these, boom, put them together. I'm telling you, you got a great snack, all right? So check these out for sure. Now, especially on keto, of course, you can have a lot of almonds, pistachios, stuff like that. Man, I'm telling you, Walmart has a selection of pistachios. I love pistachios, but you have to measure them out. Okay, one serving of pistachios is 1/4 cup. So don't be dumping that whole bag on there, because then you're gonna wonder why you're not hitting your goals or something like that, because you dump way too much. Okay, so you got to measure pistachios out. So let me tell you something. This right here, jalapeno lime, this is something serious right here, okay? If you like jalapenos, if you like lime, you like a little flavor, these are amazing. Now you need to be careful. Get you a measuring cup and measure these out, okay? Put them on the scale or something, because you will mess around and eat half this bag because they're so good, all right? And it's really gonna throw you off. You're gonna be like, I'm not hitting my goals. It must be those pistachios, right? But yeah, these pistachios are great. You get the bags here at Walmart. I mean, Walmart is coming with all of them. They got the just roasted and salted. These are great, all right? They also have, you want to knock out kind of a sweet tooth as well? Let me show you something. Boy, honey roasted, this right here. You'll knock out your fats. You'll knock out a sweet tooth. Don't eat the whole bag or you'll knock all your macros off, all right? So make sure you measure these out. But these, so good, okay? I love pistachios. If you don't like pistachios, there's other options as well. Now, I've mentioned these in a few of my videos before. Whenever I'm on the go, I'm in the car or something like that. I'm heading here and there with the kids or whatever. Man, I'm hungry. Let me show you something. These right here are great. These little 100-calorie snack packs, they already measured out for you. You know you're only getting 100 calories. You're getting some fats. These are great. One of my favorite ones that I've been having lately is cashews. Okay, I love cashews. Man, they're so good. If you know on cashews, man. The cool thing about these is that they're already measured out 100 calories. All right, so you can easily take those with you to go. You can mix it with a Chomps beef stick. You can have it with something else. Have it with like an A&W root beer or just whatever. It will knock out your hunger big time. I'm telling you, okay? Because you got the fats in here. They're really good. They're salted, so you're gonna get your sodium. And man, because they're just so good. All right, these cashews, man, I keep these in stock. They are great. Now these right here, these Planters nutrition ones, these right here, these are a little higher calorie, but man, they are good. Okay, make sure check your nutrition. Make sure it fits into your nutrition. If it doesn't, just go with the other ones. But these are really good. I have these a lot as well, especially when I'm traveling or you're just moving around in the vehicle. These are great to have as well. This will help knock your hunger out. That's what we're trying to do right here. We're trying to really knock our hunger out, okay? And these are just some of the options that I use almost daily so I can stay on track, all right? This is how I stay lean year round. This is how I stay full year round. This is how I get through my day, and I'm just here, I'm just trying to share it with you. So definitely check some of these out. If these fit your nutrition, man, you got to check them out, all right? And Walmart got you, it's holding it down on those prices, you know what I mean? Walmart's the cheapest you're gonna find around probably, so check these out, all right? Just a little pro tip since I'm here. Anytime I come to the grocery store, I always go by the meat section because I want to see what's on sale. Because, man, them prices high these days, man. I mean, the price is outrageous. So you got to make sure, look for the sales. But anytime I'm at the store, if I'm at Walmart, if I'm at Target, if I'm at Kroger, H-E-B, anywhere, I always stop by the meat section. You're going to mess around and find something like this. This joker's on sale for $4.75, all right? Down from $7.20. Okay, so you gotta, anytime you find these, just get them. And a lot of times they don't expire for like another 2 days. And so they gotta mark them down because they gotta sell them. And so what you can do, just take these home, eat them if you want right then and there, or just freeze them, okay? But that's how you get the sales, all right? So make sure anytime you're at the store, because I eat so much meat, I eat so much beef and chicken, the family eats a lot of it, so I'm always looking for the sales. Because, man, you mess around and come in here and buy some meat, and you're gonna be broke when you come, go home. So look for the sales, okay? Anytime, even if I'm not in here to purchase any beef or something like that, I still always check, hey, what's coming up? Come in, because a lot of times like the new sales come out like on Tuesdays. And so just stop by. If it's your local store, stop by and check the meat out, see what the dates are on them. Like if it's going to expire in like 2 days, I bet you if you come back tomorrow, those ones are going to be marked down. So then you go ahead and grab them, save you a little bit of money. Every little bit counts, all right? So that's a little pro tip for you, So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these chicken thighs, because I know if you've seen my other videos, I use chicken thighs all the time. So I'm gonna eat these ones today too. So let's go. Hey, case in point, check this out. Look at this. I just swung by the beef from leaving that chicken over there. Look at that. Bam, on sale right there. You save $4.40 on that, man. You save $4.40. Come on now. You can't beat that, man. You got to grab this beef. I'm telling you, slide by the meat section, see if anything's on sale. If it's on sale, and if you can wing it, go ahead and get it then, because then you can just freeze it if you need to. All right. So like I said, this is $4, and this is for 96 lean beef. Come on now, $4, man. You cannot beat that. All right. So check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and grab me a few of these, because look, they got a few of them on sale. So like what I'm saying, these are going to expire in a few days. Okay. So they just go ahead and put them on sale to get rid of them. That's when you grab them, man. That's how you save the money. I know I get some of the comments about, like, hey, how much does this cost? How much does that cost? Of course, every location is different. Wherever you live, it's different. The type of meat that you get is different. Usually the leaner meat's going to be a little more expensive, but tell me you can't find 96 lean for $4. Come on now. So, if you go with the 85, it's going to be a little bit cheaper. So, it just matters what kind of meat you get. That's why I don't put my prices in the videos, because it just matters where you're at, what's on sale, what type of meat you're getting. It varies wherever you go. So definitely check these out, but you cannot beat that. Look at that, $4 for some 96 lean. I'm getting these, believe that. All right, guys, sweet tooth kicking in. I understand. I get it all the time as well. One way that I take care of my sweet tooth throughout the day is to keep cereal in stock. You might be thinking I'm crazy, but I'm telling you, man, if you pick the right kind of cereals, it won't throw you off track as long as you measure it out. All right, now you can't go mess around and eat the whole box or whole bag. That's going to throw you off. You got to measure it. But some of these cereals right here will hold you down. It's a great snack. One of the best ones that I have found, one of my subscribers told me about this, and I've mentioned it on some other videos, but Walmart has some great options here, okay? This right here, this Catalina Crunch. Well, I'm telling you, mess around and find this, and especially if you like dark chocolate, it's so good. I'm telling you, I've tried this one. They got a honey graham. Come on now, honey grams. Who doesn't like honey graham? Come on, this is so good. Catalina Crunch is really, really good. I'm telling you, I've never tried this one. Cinnamon toast. Cinnamon toast, that's good. That's got to be good. I'm definitely getting this one, because, man, cinnamon toast, like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, man, if you don't like that, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, these are great for, especially if you're on like a keto diet. Keep these in stock, okay? These will help you get through. So what you need to do, whenever that sweet tooth is kicking in, or whenever your snack time is kicking in, you need to stay ready, man. You got to kick back. You got to kick back with the right stuff. So keep these in stock, man. I'm telling you, Walmart has a great selection. They have a lot, and it's going to be cheaper. It's going to be cheaper at Walmart. But look, man, cinnamon toast, I am on this. I tell you that. I'm going to have some of this. Let me know if you tried this before, cinnamon toast. I've never seen this one before. Cinnamon toast, man, let me know. They also have a fruity one that's really good as well. and that one's good. So anytime you find some Catalina Crunch, check it out, try it out, and I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. All right, so definitely check these out. All right, and one of my other favorite cereals is this right here, this Ratios. Anything from Ratio, I highly recommend. You know, I always talk about the Ratio yogurts. They also have a Ratio granola that's really good. It's going to keep it low carb. It's more keto friendly. If you're doing a low carb or a keto diet, definitely Ratio has you covered. And now Ratio dropped his own cereal too. So I mean, you cannot beat that. 9 net carbs in there. It's not going to set you back that much, and it tastes amazing. I'm telling you, anything from Ratio, you can almost guarantee it's going to taste good. Especially those yogurts I always tell you about. Man, you got to get you some of those. And I'm telling you, 10 grams of protein. Only 9 carbs, you cannot beat that, all right? So you can have this for a snack, you can have it for breakfast, you can have it for whatever you want to do, all right? But definitely, you got to go check out Ratio, man. Ratio is good. I mean, all the products they put out, I have not found one to where I'm like, man, no, I don't like that one. I'm telling you, I put that granola, I put it on yogurt. Man, that stuff is so good. So definitely check it out. Ratio, you're not going to go wrong. Hold it down for this. Get you some of this cereal, all right? I'm telling you, go check it out. And like I was saying, the granola, Ratio also has a granola, okay? You can put this in your yogurts, and man, it is great, all right? So one serving only has 2 carbs, 8 grams of protein, easy way to add some protein. I've said this on other videos. I'm telling you, man, if you see Ratio, check it out. It can fit into any diet pretty much, okay? All it's gonna do is give you some more protein, keep the carbs low, and even if you're on a high carb diet, this is, you know, go get your carbs from somewhere else. Get some Ratio. I'm telling you, man, it tastes so good, okay? So definitely check these out, all right? I'm telling you, man, they're good. Okay, now, most Walmarts in my location have this bread that you need to go get. I highly recommend you getting this bread. H-E-B also carries it. Kroger doesn't carry it, but Walmart and H-E-B, this is where I have found it. This bread right here, I've talked about it on my other videos. Sola bread, 1 net carb in there. I'm telling you, I have this stuff all the time. I just had some the other day. You know, I keep this is what I have for a snack. A lot of times is I'll take this bread and I'll just put like some almond butter or some peanut butter or some PB Fit or just something like that on there with a little bit of jelly. Man, that's a great snack. Take 2 slices. It's only 2 carbs, all right? It's not going to set you back. And I'm telling you, man, it tastes amazing. I don't know how else to say that. They also have a sweet oat as well, all right? I like this one. I prefer this one. This one's pretty good too, but my jam is this one, sweet and buttery. Come on now, that just sounds good. So if you can, go find you some Sola. Sola is so good, man. I keep this in stock because it is great whenever it's time for a snack. You know, get you some of this and it will really help knock it out, all right? All right, guys, those are some of the options, snack options I had for you here at Walmart. Hopefully these will help you out. Let me know if they do. I'm just trying to give you some stuff that'll help you out on your whatever your journey is. If it's losing weight, if it's gaining weight, if it's gaining muscle, you know, hopefully it's not losing muscle, but whatever your journey is, I'm just here to show you some more options that you can use. These are only snack options. Highly recommend you always eat, you know, whole foods, meats, vegetables, fruits, all that first. But these are just some of the things that kind of help you get you through the day. And hopefully these help you out. And let me know if they do. Let me know in the comments some of the items that you like to use when snack time kicks in. Let me get some great comments. And I think the feedback is really helping because all of us can help each other out. We can all share information, share what works for us. Man, I'm getting some great ideas on stuff that I can use too. And so hopefully these videos help you out. Like I said, I'm here at Walmart. Go check it out. Go check out the prices. Man, they're great. And they have some great options here. And I'll talk to you next time. Let's keep getting better. Let's go.